What is up, you guys? So I got in the head dowel pins, so I'm going to go ahead and see if they fit, and then maybe we can go from there. Alright, so I went ahead and cleaned these out. So these are solid. They don't have any cutaways in them. The stock ones, however, do have that cut. Heaviest part of this entire build. Alright, so the box came with a bag of long bolts, a bag of washers, and then the bag of the short bolt. Obviously for the bottom. And then the top. So before we continue, I wanted to show you the washers real quick. You have a flat side and then one with the chamfer on it. That is the side that's going to face the top of the bolts. We also need to do some stuff to each bolt before we actually bring them all the way down and tighten them up. Here's a sneak preview of the engine all assembled, but it's not. Still got to torque the heads down. Just wanted to see what it was looking like. I still really like the gold, silver, and black combo. Kind of reminds me of the Apollo program still. Looks good. I also have those versions. These are just the cheap cover and those are stock. And it is the next day. I went ahead and quit for the night last night. Got the bolts down, but I need to torque them down, so let's go ahead and start that. So as always, I have my cheat sheet set up. We have the heads here, inside and outside bolts, so it's going to be just like this, and that's going to mark where you torque down at and what steps we're going to take for torquing them down. So we're going to start at 50, 60, and then 70 finally, and working from the inside out. Yep, see, there we are. Piston right up top. And I went ahead and installed these off camera. It's really easy. I'm just going to put them in, put the little dog bones on, make sure they're aligned, and then push this down and install. And it's like, these bolts are like 100 and something inch-pounds. I can't remember right now, but. So this is what happens when you don't fully pay attention and put a gasket on backwards. Yeah. So I pulled off this head again just now. I realized I had not installed this one correctly. The front was on the back, which doesn't allow for cooling ports. So I went ahead and took it off. Always check your work before you fully do it. But at least now I get a chance to show you the piston all the way up. Yeah, it's all the way up. So that needs to be like that. That's for when we reinstall this guy here. We can get the marks and get the engine in time. But yeah, just double check your work. Don't do that. Don't do what I did. I'm going to go ahead and clean the gasket off and then go ahead and reinstall the same way you saw me do that time. So yeah, make sure it's on the front. Make sure you get the right cooling ports. So I went ahead and fixed that problem. The head's back installed. Really just take your time when you're doing the engine build. Make sure you recheck all your work, and that's what I did just to make sure. And yep, there was a flaw. So sometimes you gotta go back and fix stuff, but at least it's fixed. I really was wanting to make this a video a little bit longer, but I'm going to wait to do some other stuff until I get some other supplies in. I need to order the new roller rockers because AP got my old ones. Basically, with the kit to convert the E7 heads over, you can't use the normal roller rockers, and I jumped the gun, bought them, and now I can't use them. So now I gotta get another set. But AP has a another engine he might use or might sell, I don't know. Here's that conversion kit on here. Let me go ahead and grab some push rods. Now these are just the stock factory push rods. I do have a checker. So here's the checker. This just goes in, just like your normal, and then you unscrew or screw in and set your height, and then you remove it and measure. And if you have to order a different size, well, that's what you gotta do. But these might actually work, so I might not need to order any other push rods. Just need to order those rockers. But yeah, that's it for now. Definitely hit that subscribe button and the bell if you're new, guys. We're going to be working on this a little bit more once the parts come in. It'll probably be it for a little while, just because I'm waiting for those. And until then, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.